Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to our next interview questions. This today will concentrate on our next one of the topic, that is what is service. What is service in Android? So what is service in Android? This is very important component in Android because this we can use in lot of places with a lot of uses. So first of all, service is one of the component of Android. Its component first thing. Then next. So this component we can use for long running background process. Long running background processes like alarm, reminders. So alarm, reminder, notification. So on such cases, this we can use. And one more major important point about this service is it does not have any user interface. It does not has any user interface. So simply I'm saying this, it's no UI. So this is means here Android in Android service is nothing but it's one of the component of Android. It can handle the long running background process and it does not has any UI. So this is about Android service. But if it is not having UI, how it interact with the user? How could you know user service is running? So simply see it. If I set alarm at 6 a.m., alarm 6 a.m. My alarm is at 6 a.m. So if my alarm is at 6 a.m., then one service is going on in the background. That service is continuously checking that when 6 a.m. is happens. When 6 a.m. is happens, this can invoke broadcast receiver. Service can invoke broadcast receiver means service will give intimation to broadcast receiver 6 a.m. is happens means server service. So then this broadcast receiver can interact with the user. This broadcast receiver can interact with the user. This is about this. Means service is nothing but it's a one of the component of Android. It's long running background process. It does not have any UI. So it will invoke broadcast means it whenever the service time is happens, it invokes the broadcast receiver. Then broadcast receiver will give announcements to the user. So this particular time has happened like that. So this is about broadcast receiver and all. Now in this there are two types of services are there. So those all are there are two types of services. One is bounded service, bounded service. Another one is unbounded services. See, bounded service. In that word itself, it is the meaning. It can depend on something. It can be dependent. Means dependency is there. It will depend on something. See, means whenever I create an alarm 6 a.m. that depends on watch. So time. So time. Whenever 6 a.m. is happens, then it will be. But unbounded service, there is no dependency. So no dependency. Automatically it can execute whenever its time is happens. Means whenever we call that service, it can happen. So it depends on the situation. Either we can decide it should require this bounded service or unbounded services. So if you want more about this bounded and unbounded services, already I have tutorial on service, unbounded service with life cycle. Just you can go through that. Thank you. Please subscribe to get more updates.